guys, once you get into Aspen, you can check, I'm going to be checking ELA here. So I'm going to go into reading and writing. And then after reading and writing, I'm going to go over to assignments. And then I'm going to scroll down. Now, what I'm specifically looking for are any ixls that are not 100%. Nothing else really can be made up unless it's a red missing. So you can see that this ixl is at a 72%, and there's no reason it shouldn't be. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write down what these are. So I'm going to write down, so it's QQ 1, 2, and 3, and then I've got PP 7 and 8. So then I'm going to go to IXL. We're going to go to learning, and then in learning, we're going to touch language arts. And then in language arts, remember how I wrote these letters down? I'm going to find the letters in language arts. So I'm going to scroll way down to them, and then I've got, let's see, 7 and 8. So look, 7 is done to the 90, but look at 8. It's only done to 19 points. So I'm just going to click on that and then start doing that. And then I'm going to take it up to 90. And then when I'm done, I have to show Miss Evans. So that hopefully that will help you figure out which IXLs you are missing. Thanks so much for watching.